आपके सपनों से जोड़े, घर जो आपको आपके अपनों से जोड़े। जी हाँ, लिटरली एक ऐसा ही घर दिखाने हम आपको लिए चलेंगे ड्रीम होम के इस एपिसोड में। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ड्रीम होम। मैं हूँ आपके होस्ट एंड दोस्त प्रीत। ड्रीम होम के आज के इस एपिसोड में हम आपको लेकर चल रहे हैं मुंबई के वेस्टर्न सबर्ब्स में न्यूली डेवलप हो रहे ओमकार अल्टामॉन्ट मलाड के प्रोजेक्ट पर। आई नो यू मस्ट बी मोर देन एक्साइटेड टू गो देयर। सो किस बात का कर रहे हैं इंतजार, चलिए मेरे साथ। Well, if you talk about accessibility, तो ओमकार अल्टामॉन्ट से अच्छी लोकेशन हो ही नहीं सकती to own a house of yours. You know why? Well, ओमकार अल्टामॉन्ट is located in the heart of western suburb. ये Western Express Highway पर बना हुआ है. So obviously, which means if you talk about road connectivity, you talk about railway station connectivity or airport connectivity, it just could not get better than this. You talk about popular malls, you talk about hospitals or retail markets, everything is there in your vicinity. What else can you ask for? फाइनली हम पहुंच गए हैं ओमकार रियल्टर्स के अल्टामॉन्ट के प्रोजेक्ट पर। इस प्रोजेक्ट की खासियत ये है कि यहाँ पर मकान की नहीं, घर की बात होती है। घर जहाँ पर हर फैमिली मेंबर का अपना स्पेस तो है ही, पर साथ ही साथ एज अ फैमिली वो एक छत के नीचे एक साथ जुड़कर रह सकते हैं, जो कि मुंबई जैसे शहर में इमेजिन करना बहुत मुश्किल है कि नहीं? आइए चलते हैं अंदर। Never judge a book by its cover, they say. But the truth is, people tend to judge the interior of the house by how it looks on the outside. Absolutely. So, with an entryway like this, make your guests go wow even before they enter. Looks like a very nice and royal door, na? Well, with the look of it, ये बहुत royal और बहुत heavy लगता है। ये रॉयल लुकिंग तो है, बट इट्स नॉट हैवी। ये टिम्बर वुड से बना डोर है। एंड यू नो व्हाट, इसकी स्पेशलिटी ये है दैट इट कैन रेजिस्ट फायर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 4 आवर्स। एक और बात, सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी इज समथिंग दैट वी डेफिनेटली वांट फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, आवर लव्ड वंस। और अगर हमारी सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी की चिंता कोई और करे तो फिर बात ही क्या है। वी फील ओवरवेल्म्ड। At Altamont, they provide you these special door locks. ये स्पेशल डोर लॉक्स चाबी से नहीं खुलते हैं, बल्कि ये खुलते हैं कार्ड से या फिर आपके थंबप्रिंट से। Well, I'm sure this will definitely discourage thefts and break-ins, and this is a very solid, safe facility. I like it. Take a look. A small but much needed space is this servant room, which is attached with the bathroom. It is a much needed space और इसे बहुत rightly place किया गया है. This is placed in this corner so that you can also have your privacy. There's something I'm sure you also must have noticed just like me. जी हाँ, the height of this apartment. यूजुअली हम घरों की ऊंचाई 9-9.5 फुट की देखते हैं, पर यहाँ की ऊंचाई 12-12.5 फुट की है। This provides opulence and luxury to the house, and this also means that you can plan, design, and decorate your house the way you want to. You can place an artifact wherever, and without having to worry about cramped up space, and your house will still look big enough. can clearly see यहाँ पर living area में earthy colors का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. Earthy tone gives a very warm and cozy feel to the house. A simple, neutral and homely feel emerges from earthy tones. And this earthy tone is such a tone which immediately puts you at ease and makes your time spent in your living area a very pleasant time. As you can see, यहाँ पर open shelves का इस्तेमाल किया गया है, which is very much in vogue these days. And let's check out this corner, which is making the living area look even more beautiful. यहाँ पर ये चीज़ बहुत smartly place की गई है, because there's a lot of storage. Well, this is not just enhancing the beauty, but this is an ideal place to store your stuff also. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब early morning sunshine आपके रूम में enter करती है. But at times, too much light filtering into the house or too much early morning sunshine in summer months becomes a little bit of annoying problem. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? इसके लिए they have designed heavy curtains और इनको आपको push या फिर pull करने की जरूरत नहीं है. All you have to do is like the idea? I'm sure. The best way to do good lighting is to choose a variety of lights, connect them to a dimmer switch and then place them at different positions to vary their intensity. See, there are some ceiling lights here, then there's a side lamp. This is just adding up to the beauty of this living area. Wow, I can see a beautiful space out there. I'm definitely gonna go and check out. Come along. छत पर बैठकर सूरज से नजरें मिलाना या फिर दोस्तों से गप्पे लड़ाना, याद आ गई ना छत की? वैसे मुंबई में छत होना तो इम्पॉसिबल है, पर हाँ, बालकनीज फिर भी कुछ घरों में नजर आ जाती है. पर वहाँ पर भी इतना स्पेस कहाँ होता है कि जहाँ पर आप अपनी फैमिली या फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर सके. ऐसे में अल्टामाउंट आपको बालकनी में इतना स्पेस दे रहा है कि आपको छत की कमी कभी महसूस ही नहीं होगी. I'm just truly loving sitting here. Well, this is such a huge space where you can either throw a party or maybe have a few moments to yourself. Can't get enough of this place. But now I have to take you to the most cherished room in the house, the highly functional place, the kitchen. Kitchen is such space in the house which has evolved the most according to the requirements of people who use it. It is very important to plan the kitchen smartly. There has to be enough space for things like refrigerator. And here there are cabinets which are made of timber wood. There are open shelves also and there are closed cabinets also. Well, kitchen platform is such a space where you prepare the meal, where you cook the meal. So it has to be of high quality. At Altamont, they are providing you Korean slab platforms. Well, you have storage area here to keep your grains. And attached to kitchen is this separate area, which is a wash and dry area. And there's a huge space in it. We generally tend to become very demanding when doing up the kitchen, and rightly so. Why not? Because this is the place where we cook and where we entertain ourselves at times. So it has to be just perfect. A kitchen like this, I think, caters to all your requirements. Right outside the kitchen and next to living area is this rightly given space for the dining table, where they have placed a classy looking beautiful dining table which matches with the earthy tone to the tea. and they have divided these two sections with different shades of wallpaper aesthetically. And for a quick meal, you will be given this space also. Since we were talking about space, I too need some space for myself, but on this promise that I will be back in a jiffy. Take a break. I said I'll be back in a jiffy, and here I am after the break. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि आज हम ओमकार रियल्टर्स का सैंपल फ्लैट चेक कर रहे हैं, which is Altamont Malad East, and here I am in the master bedroom. See, bedroom is a very personal space, so there has to be a balance of comfort and practicality. So the decoration should be such that it should promote relaxation, but at the same time without being bland. And I think this is a perfect example of that. Bedroom is not just used for sleeping or dressing up, but we at times read in the bedroom, we store stuff, possibly we watch television, and even studying is also done in the bedroom. So there has to be enough space for that. So you have all the arrangements for all your necessities. See, they have placed a nice side lamp for you to read at night. Look at that outer space. Wow! Again, a huge balcony just next to your master bedroom. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है as if it's inviting me to come and experience peace and serenity. They have used a lot of wood for the decoration. I'm just feeling as if your dream home is becoming even more stylish. Well, adequate storage space makes a huge difference between a chaotic house and a tranquil space. Well, this is an ideal space for you to keep bedspreads, maybe cushion covers, or many other things. It can store a lot of stuff. And on top of it, it doesn't even look like a storage space. International is the keyword in design circle these days, and I'm sure you would love to have such international feel in your bathroom too, with these bath fittings and accessories. Don't they look a little too stylish? Okay, now be honest with me. Don't we spend a lot of time in the washroom thinking, introspecting, or planning? So, shouldn't it then be a little more stylish space to inspire? Wow, this is called a wardrobe. This huge. It can store anything and everything. And again, there's a high storage space, which I don't think you can use without a chair, but it can be used for less frequent objects that you use. You have so much of space to store your shoes, your sandals, your clothes, and this is all made with high quality timber wood. You must be thinking how your kids' room should look like. Don't worry at all, because I'm going to take you to one. Come along. Altamont Flats is their balcony, which is attached to all of their rooms. And this kids' balcony, imagine your kid just sitting here doing some creative work, maybe drawing a skyline or just enjoying the sunrise. Dream Home में अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटे से break का. There's so much more to explore. I'll be right back. ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव गेस्ड इट राइट कि मैं किस बारे में बात करने जा रही हूँ. जी ये है प्रेयर स्पेस, द मोस्ट पीसफुल कॉर्नर ऑफ द हाउस. इस वॉल को भी बहुत एस्थेटिकली वॉलपेपर से सजाया गया है. So now let me take you to another huge space in the house, next bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, जिसे again बहुत sober रखा गया है. बहुत simplicity इस कमरे में भी नजर आ रही है. But you can actually add थोड़ा सा drama in this room. You can put a lot of vibrant colors, maybe some nice soft furnishing in vibrant colors. Well, there again is a balcony attached with this room, which is again huge enough. A nice stylish bathroom with it. And a wardrobe too. Altamont प्रोजेक्ट की खास बात ये है that I've told you earlier कि इसमें families को जोड़कर रखने की बात होती है. So for that extra member of your family, this could be the room. तो अब बारी है हमारी next segment की, where I'm gonna take you and make you meet our special guest, जो आपको Altamont प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताने वाले हैं. चलिए मेरे साथ. Omkar Realtors has been taken to pinnacle by its second-generation entrepreneurs who have carved a niche for themselves by being committed to timely delivery and high-quality offering. And with me right now is PR advisor of Omkar Realtors, Mr. Sumant Kumar. Mr. Kumar, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
Considering that you're coming up with such huge-scale projects that you will be readying 4 towers in tandem, how confident are you that you're going to deliver your project, the units, to the consumer on time?
Okay, let me just say first of all, as your audience must be already watching this program and they must have taken a look at our show flat and our construction going on. We are going pretty much on track as far the construction goes. One of the USPs of the project is that the construction is handled by one of the India's leading construction giants, Larsen & Toubro, that's L&T.
Wow.
In terms of our deliverables, the schedule is beginning mid-2015 and it will go up to mid-2017, and I think we are pretty much on track. So you will see the buyers getting their flats within the set deadlines.
Great. That's a good thing to know. Well, Omkar Realtors, they are coming up with luxurious apartments. People are opening up to spend extra on luxurious living. So what different luxurious amenities are you offering?
Okay, let me just slightly give you a bit of background in terms of what luxury lifestyle is all about. If you look at a place like a city like Mumbai, which is extremely densely populated, the suburbs where right now we are sitting at the Altamont project, it happens to be one of the largest luxury gated communities of the western suburbs. When you look at the term luxury, it has various connotations. In case of Altamont, I would say that we are talking about services and amenities which are basically new age services and amenities. We are talking in terms of having a maybe elevated jogging park, a pet spa, an infinity pool,
wow, and
also all other standard amenities which will be extremely well maintained, and they are very qualitative in nature. So you name the facility, it's going to be there as per this project goes.
Well, I would like to know what makes a home built by Omkar Group an exclusive and different home, so special.
I would say that in terms of the quality aspect, as I said, already mentioned, Larsen & Toubro handling the construction part. I think it's very well thought out in terms of designing and the layout factor. And one key factor would be that it's one of the largest luxury gated communities of the western suburbs. So you're seeing almost close to 1,500 units and a certain kind of a gentry who's going to be staying here. From a developer perspective, if you would like to know what makes it a distinct, I would say obviously the delivery timetable. That's one aspect. And secondly, living up to the promise of offering all the services and amenities which the customer has been told in the first place when he had booked the apartment.
And how about the location? What makes it so exclusive and special?
I think from a location perspective, as far as Altamont is concerned, it is there bang on the Western Express Highway, so that itself I think is one of the biggest USP of this place.
So true.
In terms of connectivity, yes, it does have a very good connectivity. We are very close to the domestic and the international airports. In terms of shopping, there are some amazing malls nearby. In terms of other infrastructure such as schools and colleges and hospitals, the project is very well located. In terms of view, I would say we enjoy an amazing view of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Another amazing feature in terms of the view of the apartments, which will be above 30 floors, you can see the Marve Beach.
Wow. All right. I would like to know about Malad East, which is turning up to be a high-end premium residential sector. So could you share your thoughts on that?
See, if I take you back in time, maybe 10-15 years ago, when Dadar was still termed as the center of Mumbai, particularly if you see the Western Corridor. Today, I feel the center has moved upwards. Let's say Andheri and now maybe Malad, first of all. So kind of you are centrally located. Let's put it that way. If you take the new age definition of where exactly is Mumbai's center as such. Secondly, this is a corridor whereby you see a very heavy presence of the Bollywood and also the trading community belt like the whole Malad, Andheri, Kandivali belt as such. So it has now developed into, it has rapidly progressed over the last couple of years particularly, and by the time Altamont is ready and people start staying here, I think we would have seen a lot more advancement.
Are you putting any emphasis on ecology to maintain the harmony of this place?
As far as Altamont is concerned, yes, it's basically, if you look at it from a sustainability factor, yes, we have definitely taken care of the green aspect as such, whether it is rain harvesting or building sustainability, yes, very much.
In the end, we would like to know for our viewers how to buy a right kind of house.
If you follow the basic old simple principles of buying in terms of real estate, I think the background check of the developers plays a very critical role. I think in today's generation, as far as customers are concerned, they're more knowledgeable and they have started looking into the architectural designing aspect, and they also understand the quality of amenities and services on offer. So I would say research would play definitely an important role.
That's true. Thank you so much for your tip, and thank you so much for joining us with this mega opulent project that is coming up, and with the kind of luxurious amenities that you are offering. I'm sure our viewers would be more than keen and interested to know about Altamont. Thank you so much once again for joining us.
My pleasure. And I hope Spin TV does a great job in promoting real estate.
I think it's a great platform and a communication tool for customers to be more knowledgeable, more educated in terms of making a buying decision. My best wishes to Spin TV.
So I'm sure Mr. कुमार के दिए गए टिप्स आपको ज़रूर काम आएंगे to buy your dream home. अगर Altamont के बारे में आप हमसे कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहते हैं या फिर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है तो हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं स्क्रीन पर लिखे गए नंबर पर, या फिर आप हमें मेल भी कर सकते हैं on our email ID. And we will definitely try and provide you the best possible information. Thank you so much for now. मिलेंगे एक और ड्रीम होम पर next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.